into the third building. It smells like paint. Very well.
Oh my God.
Yeah, this building was full of garbage. A lot of shoes. There's kids' toys. Oh. Hmm. Got a lot of editing to do here. I had nothing in here. Whoa. Ice is slick.
I fucking love this stuff here.
Dolly the rat. Must be rat. Is that tobacco? It looks like tobacco. Dolly the $5 whore is working here. True story.
Oh, that's really sitting. Looks like someone did shit.
Ew. More bathrooms. Looks like someone shit in the corner.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, but alright guys,
I'm not going down there.
those stairs are deadly slippery.
You probably had it.
I didn't fall like she did.
I fell.
She fell face first, I fell backwards. That was scary. I almost died. That hurt my shoulders. I pulled my shoulder. Oh, look at this. It's not carpet. It's moss. Oh, the carpet looks like moss. Or the moss, it looks like the carpet. So damp and wet in here. Wow, guys. You gotta be really careful in these places. If not, you almost die exploring them. Holy crap. Jeez. Oh, you're not funny. Oh. Yeah. Oh. Some ladies. There's a big old copper pipe in there. Oh, that tripped me out. Little kids, Is there another building? There is another building, but I don't know if we can get in that one. Yeah. Oh.
It's everywhere.
Yeah. Yeah. Oh, you can get in that building probably, but... Oh, that other building. Oh, let's go downstairs. There's another downstairs in this one. Alright guys, we're gonna take our time. Oh, I almost did it again. Oh, it stinks. Nothing really. There's a lot of ice down here. Yeah. There's a lot. Well, here's a door, and it's only like 4 feet tall. Yeah, there's nothing really down here. So now I gotta get back up this. Alright. Well guys, I think that is it. Other than that fire building. But I don't think we're gonna go in that. So mechanic room. There's nothing here. Well guys, what did I say? We are going to exit this building and go to the next spot. Next spot is a school that the same guy told me about. We're gonna go check that out, and then yeah, there is one other. I think there's a hospital, but no one will tell me where it is. So yeah, hopefully you guys enjoy these videos. Like, subscribe, share. Yeah, until next time guys, peace.